Dang it, how does this thing work? On! Beam sword, go! Open sesame? This is never gonna work. What is this for anyway? You? Again? Are you ever gonna give up? I mean, seriously, I always win!
You're not gonna win this time.
I think I will. Oh, sh**.
I won! I've actually won! Alright, let's finish this off.
Mine.
Like how I called dibs.